Hi there, this is AG with another AGIY. Hope to bring a little inspiration for your own creation. Today's project is a candle holder bird nest. Boy, that's a mouthful. Okay, first off, you're going to need a metal candle holder, and you can find these at Goodwill's all the time. I have some moss there. I went with the lighter color there to contrast against the darker candle holder. A little pencil holder that I found there, some green paint, a little greenery, and a couple eggs. And of course the hot glue gun. So to get started, you're going to have to get that paint out there, and I went with a matted paint. It's a chalkboard paint, and it just kind of helped to dry a little bit more matte, I guess. And I went ahead and I painted on the leaves there just to give them a nice green color, and I've used this paint before. It is more green in person than it actually shows up on the camera, but this is really your own thing, so just do whatever makes you happy. And next I grabbed that moss there, and what I did was I used that little pencil office organizer as a mold to be able to mold the moss around it to make that nice round nest. And it works because then I can use the base of it to glue it onto the candle holder, which you will see very soon. Now as you see, I grabbed out my trusty little finger protector there. That moss does get hot, so keep that in mind, especially working with the metal and the hot glue. It gets very hot very quickly. And I got this right here. You can see it's like, you can see that black through there a little bit. So I just wanted to add a little bit more just to help hide that and make it look more actually like a bird nest and not an organizer for a desk. So here I just put some around the top there to make it look more nesty. And then I grabbed my scissors and I just trimmed it up a little bit because it did look a little crazy after I got that hot glued on. It had some really stray pieces just sticking up there, so I just trimmed it up a little bit. Then I grabbed my greenery here, and I wanted to add a few pieces because obviously a bird nest just isn't made out of twigs. So I wanted to add some little floral pieces, and I picked that up at the Goodwill too. You know, the Goodwill is a great place to find those random things that you can really make any kind of craft with. Floral is one of those things that pops up at Goodwill all the time. So there you see, I just kind of placed them around there, and I had some eggs from my other project that I did. So I put those in there nice and cute. Then I went ahead and grabbed my candle holder there, and I pulled out my hot glue gun, put a nice little layer of hot glue, and then, like I said, the base is perfect. It just sat on there nice and easy, and I just kind of rearranged, made sure everything was on there nice and good. So if you like this project, make sure you like and follow. We have tons more coming out, and I will see you next time. So, okay, bye guys.